We got turbo. Hey, Bob. What are we gonna do today? Let's roll. Let's go. Let's take it home. There's the MR2. Welcome to my channel. This is Toyotero at oldschoolyotas. Today we are doing a follow-up video on the Datsun. Been working on the driver's side. So you can see I revealed that color the other day. My last video. This is today's finish up the driver's side entirely. Tomorrow we're gonna prime it, put some primer on the whole area there, and then like I said last time, we're gonna go to work on this side right here, because that needs to be finished, that bar underneath the radiator. Yeah, put the sink sealer today. You can see seam sealer all the way in there, and here's the other side, what it looks like. There you have it. So no more see-through. The only see-through hole there is that brake line hole. That's it. There you have it. Small video, guys. Small update video. Hopefully, I took this caps off today. Took this cap off just to see. I wanted to see what this looked like over here. It looks pretty good in there. There's no rust in there. On both sides. Alright, guys. Like I said, this is a very short video of this progress on the Datsun. I gotta start working on the front of this car. A little bit rust there, you can see on that bar, but you know, we'll make it look good. Alright, guys. Toyotero says goodbye.